All right, you got a basket right here, and that's where everything, all the debris is going to go in here. Pretty much any leaves. There's also an O-ring here that you got to make sure it doesn't break or it's going to start leaking right in there. And also, this is going to be another half an inch, 1.5 inches too. So on the bottom of it, you got a base that if you have existing areas, you could drill this down to the ground. And there is no on and off button, so you just plug it in and it's ready to go. As you can see, I have that 1/2 inch converter. All right, 1.5 to I believe 2. So we're gonna set this one up in the top. This one goes in here too. So I have 2 of them, right? They don't require washers, but if it starts leaking, you can always put plumber's tape too also too. That's another option. And we do have our old one here, but it's not strong enough. So we're gonna see how much horsepower we're gonna get this out of this one. As you can see, that's my old one. Look how small compared to the new one. It is super small. That one's a lot smaller, so it doesn't get too much power to it. I had to put a long one here so I could just stretch it out so we could test it out. And then I'm gonna remove that one and add that one in the permanent. So right now we're gonna turn it on to make sure there's no leaks first. We're gonna plug it in. And I already see one leak here. Let's see how it goes. Let's run it. There it goes. Woo, I could hear the power. Let's see how it goes now. Look at that. So you can see it running a lot better. Not a one leak right there that we're gonna fix right now, but I just want you to see it running. And let me go show you the pressure on it. It goes through our actual filter. Look at that. That's good. That's really good. So I can see it running really, really good. Not that there's no leaks, only one little tiny leak that I'm going to tighten it up right now. But overall, this system, look at this. It is running really good. So if you guys are missing a pump, or your old pump's not working for you as much as this one now, because this one was losing a lot of pressure, a lot of power. Let's see how much pressure we have now. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. So we got a lot of pressure. So you guys are looking for a great pump replacement. This is it. Now the only setback, there's no timer on this one. It's just plug and play and it's ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.